today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a deep conditioner that you can use if you are allergic to aloe vera. So this deep conditioner is made with a very simple ingredient. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing us how to prepare an okra deep conditioner for hair growth. This can be used if you react to aloe vera. There are some people that once they apply aloe vera to their hair and scalp, it gets very itchy and very uncomfortable. Aloe vera is very good with moisturizing the hair and strengthening the hair strands and replenishing any lost moisture to the hair. But if you react to aloe vera, that's if you experience any of this itching that I just talked about, you can use okra as your deep conditioner. So the first thing I did was to wash my okra, and then I cut off the parts that I wasn't going to use, and then I'm going to chop my okra into little pieces. Okra deep conditioner is very simple to prepare. All you have to do is to chop your okra into little pieces. Then you're going to boil your okra, and then you blend that okra that you've boiled to make it a slimy paste. After that, you're just going to strain that mixture to separate the slime from the seeds and the chaff, and it's ready to use. So this is what my okra gel is looking like after the blending. This one is really thick because I use very little water to blend. So this is the consistency. I'm just going to add some olive oil to it, and then I added an oil mix containing amla oil, onion oil, and carrot oil. So this is the olive oil. I added about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then for this oil mixture I also added about 1 tablespoon. So this one is made up of amla oil, onion oil, and carrot oil, like I said, and I just added a little bit of of it. I added the oil for extra moisture. So I used this deep conditioner after I shampooed and conditioned my hair. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is apply it to your hair after you're done with your shampoo and conditioner, and then let it sit in your hair for about 10 minutes before you rinse it off. If you want to use it as a prepoo, that's before you shampoo, simply apply it to your hair in sections and after spraying water on your hair before you shampoo. So if you're using it as a prepoo, your hair will be dry. Divide your hair into sections, spray some water on each section, and then apply your okra deep conditioner or okra mask. When you do that, you will leave it in your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes before you proceed to finish your wash day. And that's it. This was my hair after I applied the deep conditioner. I noticed it was not slimy when I applied it to my hair, so I wasn't able to go in and detangle my hair, massage my hair, and do all of the things. But I just applied it to my hair and packed my hair, let it sit for the 10 minutes like I said, and then I went ahead to rinse it off and style my hair. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.